15 warning signs of a failing MAF sensor and how to fix it. Imagine you're cruising down the highway, and suddenly, your engine sputters, your acceleration hesitates, or worse, your car stalls out in the middle of traffic. Panic sets in. What just happened? One of the most overlooked yet vital components in your vehicle is the mass airflow, MAF, sensor. This small device plays a massive role in regulating your engine's air-to-fuel ratio. If it fails, your car could experience severe performance issues, guzzle fuel unnecessarily, or even suffer irreversible engine damage. Ignoring a bad MAF sensor is a dangerous game, but the good news is that you can spot the warning signs early. Here are 15 critical symptoms of a failing MAF sensor and what you need to do before it's too late. 1. Engine misfires. A failing MAF sensor can severely disrupt the precise balance of fuel and air required for proper combustion, leading to engine misfires. When this happens, you might feel sudden jerks, experience hesitation when accelerating, or notice that your engine runs rough, especially at idle or under load. Misfires can be dangerous, potentially causing long-term damage to your engine's internal components if left unchecked. If your car starts behaving unpredictably or feels like it's struggling, it's crucial to inspect the MAF sensor before the problem escalates. 2. Rough idle. When your engine is idling, it should run smoothly with minimal vibration. However, if the MAF sensor is faulty, it can cause an incorrect air-to-fuel ratio, making the engine struggle to maintain a steady idle. This imbalance may result in excessive shaking, rough vibrations, or even occasional stalling when stopped at a red light or in park. A rough idle not only affects comfort, but can also indicate that your engine is not receiving the right amount of air or fuel, potentially leading to further mechanical issues if left unaddressed. 3. Sluggish acceleration. When you press the gas pedal, your vehicle should respond instantly with smooth acceleration. However, if the MAF sensor is faulty, it may send inaccurate airflow data to the ECU, causing a delay in fuel delivery. This results in sluggish acceleration, hesitation, or even brief moments where the car feels like it's losing power. You might notice this issue more when merging onto highways, climbing hills, or trying to overtake another vehicle. If left unaddressed, this problem can become dangerous, especially in high-speed driving situations where immediate throttle response is necessary. 4. Engine stalling. When the MAF sensor fails, it can disrupt the delicate balance between air and fuel, leading to stalling, especially when the car is idling or slowing down. You may notice that your engine suddenly cuts off when waiting at a stoplight, pulling into a parking space, or even coasting at low speeds. This is because the sensor is sending incorrect airflow data, causing the engine to receive either too much air or insufficient fuel. While newer vehicles have additional sensors that may compensate for this issue, older models are especially vulnerable, making this a dangerous and frustrating problem. If left unresolved, frequent stalling can lead to increased wear on your engine and starter components, potentially resulting in costly repairs. 5. Increased fuel consumption. A faulty MAF sensor can send incorrect airflow data to the ECU, leading to an improper air-to-fuel mixture. This often results in the engine burning significantly more fuel than necessary. You may notice a sharp decline in fuel efficiency, requiring more frequent refueling even though your driving habits remain the same. Additionally, excessive fuel consumption can increase harmful emissions, making your car less environmentally friendly. If your gas mileage drops suddenly without an obvious reason, it's essential to inspect the MAF sensor to avoid unnecessary fuel expenses and potential long-term engine damage. 6. Lean or rich air-fuel mixture. A failing MAF sensor may send incorrect airflow readings to the ECU, disrupting the precise fuel-air ratio necessary for efficient combustion. If the sensor incorrectly signals that too much air is entering the engine, the ECU may compensate by injecting excessive fuel, resulting in a rich mixture. This can cause black smoke from the exhaust, increased fuel consumption, and carbon buildup inside the engine. Conversely, if the sensor misreads and signals that less air is present, the ECU may limit fuel injection, creating a lean condition. A lean mixture can lead to overheating, poor acceleration, engine knocking, and increased wear on critical engine components. Both scenarios negatively impact performance, emissions, and engine longevity, making it essential to address MAF sensor issues as soon as they arise. 7. Hard starting. If your car struggles to start, requires multiple attempts to turn over, or cranks longer than usual before firing up, a faulty MAF sensor could be the culprit. The sensor may be sending inaccurate airflow data to the ECU, causing an improper air-fuel mixture that makes ignition difficult. This issue is particularly noticeable in cold weather or after the vehicle has been sitting for an extended period. In severe cases, the engine may fail to start altogether. If you frequently experience hard starts, it's important to inspect the MAF sensor before it leads to further complications. 8. Black smoke from the exhaust. Excess fuel burning due to an overly rich mixture can cause black smoke from the tailpipe, indicating a problem with the MAF sensor. 9. Check engine light. CEL turns on. A faulty MAF sensor often triggers the check engine light. Common trouble codes include P0100, P0101, P0102, and P0103. If you see any of these codes, it's time to inspect the sensor. 10. Engine knocking or pinging sounds. If your engine is making unusual knocking noises, it could be due to improper fuel combustion caused by incorrect air measurements from a faulty MAF sensor. 11. Hesitation during gear shifts. A bad MAF sensor can cause delays when shifting gears, especially in automatic transmissions. This results in sluggish performance and difficulty accelerating. 12. Surging or jerking while driving. Erratic airflow readings from a failing MAF sensor can cause the engine to surge or jerk, especially at steady speeds. 13. Unusual sulfur or gasoline smell. If your exhaust smells like rotten eggs or unburned fuel, it's a sign of an imbalanced air-fuel ratio, often caused by a bad MAF sensor. 14. Failed emissions test. Since the MAF sensor helps regulate fuel combustion, a faulty sensor can cause excess emissions, leading to a failed emissions test. 15. Overheating catalytic converter. A rich fuel mixture caused by a bad MAF sensor can overwork the catalytic converter, making it overheat and eventually fail, a costly repair. How to diagnose a bad MAF sensor. If you experience any of these symptoms, follow these steps to confirm whether your MAF sensor is failing. Use an OBD2 scanner. Check for trouble codes like P0101 or P0102. Unplug the sensor. If the engine runs the same or better with the sensor unplugged, it's likely faulty. Perform the tap test. Lightly tap the sensor with a screwdriver while the engine is running. If the engine stutters or stalls, the MAF sensor may be defective. Visual inspection. Check for dirt buildup or damage to the sensor. How to fix a failing MAF sensor. Clean the sensor. Use a specialized MAF sensor cleaner to remove dirt and debris. Check wiring and connections. Make sure all electrical connections are intact. Replace the sensor. If cleaning and wiring checks don't work, replace the sensor. The cost typically ranges from $250 to $470, including parts and labor. Conclusion. A failing MAF sensor can severely impact your vehicle's performance, fuel efficiency, and emissions. If you notice any of these 15 warning signs, don't ignore them. Diagnosing and fixing a bad MAF sensor early can prevent costly engine damage and keep your vehicle running smoothly.